Hi guys, this is Brian with Ky Woodsman. I'm out here on Taylorsville Lake and going to run the trot lines. I had a taste for catfish and I thought I'd come out to beautiful Taylorsville Lake again and see what I could do. Funny thing is that in my haste to get out here and do some fishing, I forgot my paddle, my canoe paddle. So it looks like this is what we're going to have to use. What I've done, I'm outrigger down here. I've got this run over the top of it, and then I'll just run straight down here, like so. There we go. And then got I use the circle hooks and cut off a piece of hot dog, and then I'll just snap that right onto here. And you always want to go away from the end just a little ways so it has enough room to sink. So I'll just run these down. In Kentucky, your hooks have to be, I believe it's 18 inches apart, so a little bit apart from each other, but that still gives you plenty to work with. Just thread them straight through like that and flip them on, and we get some delicious catfish. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put me a weight on here. I'm going in between my two hooks on this one, and this is going to, I just tied me a loop off, and then this is going to pull it down to the bottom where it needs to be, away from the boat motors. Right there. If you ain't ever run a trot line, talk to a fisherman that you know and see if you can go do it with them, because it's fun to do, it's relaxing, and boy, you catch the fish too. Just because you catch them doesn't mean you have to keep them all. You know, get a few for your freezer and maybe give to a few folks that you like, and fry some up, but save some for others too, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. There we go, folks. Okay, let's see what we caught here. There we go. Whoop, we got one. I hear him, feel him tugging. Let's look at him here. Yeah. That's half the fun of running the trot line right there. That's not bad. That's about the size I was hoping to catch right there. He's about 15 inches, somewhere around in there, so I'm glad for that. Come on up, buddy. Oh man, okay. That's good. I don't know about you, but I'm having fun. Okay, well there's the first one, and that's exact perfect eating size that I want right there, so couldn't be more happy. I'm glad I finally caught him eating all my daggone hot dogs. And calm down with them spines, buddy. Hear the noise they make? Isn't that cool? I tell you what, it's just plain beautiful out here. Okay, here's another one. He looks like a pretty decent, well, he's a good eating one. He'll eat. It's the exact size I want. a nice one down there. And it looks, whoa. Oh man, this is exciting. I hope you're getting this. Okay, are we ready? And it gets you a bird's eye view. There you go. What do you think of that stuff, huh? That's a good eater there. They're all three. They're all the same. Mouthful of fish on that one. Alright, Jaws. Okay guys, you gotta try this. Oh shoot, that's fun. Good gravy. Look at that, huh? That's a good eater right there. Yes, sir. Okay. Calm down, baby. It's okay. All of these are just really good eating size. Look at that. That's some good catfish fillets there, friends. Okay, so we'll just throw you in. That's a good eater right there too, buddy. Hot dog. Gotta love it. Yeah, I know. You're mad because you got caught. That's what you get for eating hot dogs. Alright, there you go. Crazy catfish you. Ah, there we go. Yes, sir. Another one for the freezer. There's a nice one right there. That's the size I like. Yeah, calm down. Good gravy. Makes such a fit about it. You gotta get out, man. Just gotta say enough is enough and get out and do it. If you don't make time for it, it'll never happen. Always be some reason. Always something. See, that sterno's pretty good. It lasts a long time. I mean, I've had that one right there, just that one. Had it probably out about 8-10 times already, and I've cooked about 8 or 10 meals on it, and it's still got about a quarter left. So, pretty good. That's the spot. Okay guys, I'm going to get off here and enjoy the beauty around me, and for good food, drop my spoon in there again, dang on it. But thank you for joining me here on the Kentucky Woodsman. I got the trot lines baited up again, so I'll be coming back tomorrow. We'll see what we get tomorrow. And ultimately, I'm just going to fillet these up and put a bunch of them in some Ziploc bags, enough for a meal. And I'm going to stock that up just for a few days in a row. Get me some fish in the freezer where when I get a taste for it, it's there. And drop some off to my neighbors and tell them I appreciate them being a good neighbor to me. So if you get some extra game, if you're out deer hunting or squirrel hunting or fishing or whatever, remember your neighbor. And some of the older folks that can't get out used to love this, and they sure will appreciate you for it. So pass it along to them.